Talking of the regulatory structure, and one big regulator who's been a high-profile one, especially because the economy has been going through turbulent times, has been the RBI governor, Dr. Y V Reddy. In less than 2 weeks, his tenure ends. The big question is, will he continue or will he retire, even if he's offered an extension? Ira Dugal tries to line up all the probabilities and all the probable candidates who might take the hot seat on Main Street.
Main Street is not just going through an external facelift. Even inside the offices of the RBI, there are important changes set to take place. 5 years after Dr. Y V Reddy took charge, it seems increasingly likely that he will make way for the 22nd governor of the RBI. Sources indicate that Governor Y V Reddy is not keen to accept the one-year extension being offered to him, leaving the field wide open for a successor. With less than 2 weeks to go, it seems Dr. Rakesh Mohan, Deputy Governor of the RBI, may be the front runner. Central Bank watchers, however, are not ruling out Dr. D. Subbarao, who is presently the Finance Secretary. Experts say the choice of the next RBI governor will depend on who the political leaders feel can bring in an era of change at the central bank.
We've now got an enormously effective stock market. It's a very large market, and it is a market which is getting plugged into the world. Now, with these changes, the old frameworks of monetary policy, which worked very well for India in the 90s, are increasingly running into trouble.
The change of guard at the RBI may go beyond a shift in the corner office. Deputy Governor Leeladhar retires at the end of the year and is expected to be replaced by Bank of India Chief Mr. Narayansamy. And if Dr. Rakesh Mohan does get to the governor's position, there may be a surprise entrant into the office. Reports suggest that Dr. Raghuram Rajan, who recently authored a report on financial sector reforms, may be approached, since opening up of the banking sector will be a crucial task for the new team.
Now 2009 is not very far off. We're pretty close to that. And how exactly that's going to be allowed, and I think that's going to be a major issue for the sort of next government.
Even as the deadline for the new RBI governor approaches, there is no ruling out that Governor Reddy could be asked by none other than the Prime Minister to stay on. With growth slowing and inflation rising, it's crucial to have continuity at the central bank at a time like this. In Mumbai, Ira Dugal for NDTV.